Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in your Ford Ranger. First, gather your essential tools, including a wrench, an oil filter remover, and a drain pan. Make sure you have new motor oil and a fresh oil filter specifically for your Ranger. Park your vehicle on a level surface and engage the parking brake for safety. It is important to allow the engine to cool down for at least 15 minutes before you begin. Now, let's drain the old oil. Locate the oil drain plug, typically found underneath your Ford Ranger's engine. Place a suitable drain pan directly beneath the plug to catch the used oil. Carefully loosen and remove the drain plug using your wrench. Allow all the old engine oil to completely drain into the pan. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes for thorough drainage. With the old oil drained, it's time for the filter. Remove the old oil filter using an oil filter wrench. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of new oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new oil filter until it is snug, then give it an additional 3/4 of a turn. Finally, replace the drain plug and tighten it securely to prevent any leaks. Now let's add the fresh oil. Locate the oil fill cap on top of your engine and remove it. Carefully pour approximately 6.2 quarts of new motor oil into the engine. After filling, check the oil level using the dipstick, adding a little more if necessary to reach the full mark. Start the engine briefly, then recheck for any leaks and ensure the oil level is correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.